What's up, guys? Today Apple had their Q1 earnings call, and of course they broke records. Apple reported they have an all-time record revenue for iPhone, iPad, and Mac sales. In Q1, they had $46.33 billion in revenue. $24.4 billion of that revenue was just mobile sales alone. That is 13.06 net profit. In Q1, they had some staggering sales of their products. The iPhone coming in at 37.04 million sold. There were 15.43 million iPads sold, which is a 111% increase. 5.2 million Macs sold, and 15.4 million iPods sold. The Mac App Store has now seen over 100 million app downloads. iTunes has brought in 1.7 billion in revenue just in the quarter alone and 140 million downloads on December 25th. The iPhone 4S is now available in 90 countries. There are 1.5 million iPads being used in schools. iBooks Author announced just the other day already has 600,000 downloads, and there were 3 million downloads of the new iTunes U app. In total, Apple has sold over 315 million iOS devices. There are 85 million customers using iCloud now, with 50 million of them not being on an iPhone 4S. There are now 170,000 iPad-specific apps in the App Store. The App Store now has over $4 billion in total revenue. 700 million of it was in the December quarter alone. The Apple stores themselves have made 6.1 billion in revenue. They opened up 4 new Apple stores, making it a total of 361 Apple stores worldwide. That's not counting the ones they have on Mars. In the quarter, they had 110 million visitors to their stores. That's 22,000 visitors per store each week. And now the biggest number of them all, Apple has $97 billion in the bank, with 64 billion of it offshore. They're doing the right thing with their money. At least that's what they said. Can you imagine that? By now, Apple has $100 billion in the bank. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button down below. I really appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. And also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you guys would like more info on the earnings call or what they got asked in their Q&A section of it, I'll give you guys a link in the description below. So check that out on TyzFNUp.com, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.